Welcome back to the class. Today we discussed only few topics about molecular mass, formula unit mass as well as chemical formula and mole. The first topic is molecular mass. What is molecular mass? It is the sum of all the atomic mass of atoms present in a compound. Okay? There are molecular mass are there are two type of molecules. That means element molecule, molecules of element or molecules of compound. Okay, this is molecules of element, this is molecules of compound. How do you find out this molecular mass? It is a sum of atomic mass of all the atoms present in this compound. For example, here you are having 2 hydrogen and only 1 oxygen. Isn't it? These are the atoms. And write its mass. 2 into 1 hydrogen mass is 1U. 1 oxygen mass is 16U. It will be given. Okay, no need of worrying about this. This unit mass unit will be given. Each atomic mass unit will be given in the test question paper. Okay, now substitute. 1 hydrogen mass is 1U plus 1 oxygen mass is 16U. So, accordingly what do you get? 18U. This is the molecular mass of this compound water. Now tell me the definition of molecular mass. It is a sum of atomic mass of all atoms present in a compound. Now find out this. Here how many? This is a molecule of element. Why? Same kind of atom, 2 oxygens. Isn't it? So how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. So you know each oxygen weight is 16U. So accordingly you will get 32U. Clear? This is called molecular mass of a compound or molecular mass of an element. Next we go to formula unit mass. It is also almost similar. Now we'll write. What is the next question? Formula mass. Formula unit mass. Okay, here it is an example of one formula, sodium chloride formula. This is hydrochloric acid formula. How will you find out this formula unit mass? It is also sum of these two atomic mass. Okay, both the masses you add it, you will get the formula unit mass. Here also hydrogen and chlorine elements are present. Okay, these masses you add it, sum it, you will get the formula unit mass of hydrochloric acid. Now listen, only 1 sodium and 1 chlorine. You know sodium mass is 23U and chlorine mass is 35.5U. Each chlorine, 1 chlorine atom mass is, it is fixed. You got to learn. Okay, now equal to 1 into, what is the 1 sodium mass? 1 atomic mass of sodium, 23U. And 1 chlorine mass is 35.5U. What is the answer you would get? 58.5U. Am I correct? Okay, this is the formula unit mass of sodium chloride. Accordingly, you can do this also. Now find out the formula unit mass of hydrochloric acid. In this compound, 1 hydrogen atom and 1 chlorine atoms. That means elements are present. Okay, 1 hydrogen element and 1 chlorine element. Hydrogen atom or chlorine atom is present. Now, you know each atom has fixed mass. It will be given the question. So, hydrogen mass is 1U, chlorine mass is 35.5U. So, you substitute. 1 into hydrogen is 1U plus chlorine 35.5. So, accordingly you will get 1 plus 35.5 and you will get 36.5U. Getting? Nothing but you add the atomic mass of each element present in a compound. You sum all the weight, atomic weight. in the compound. You will get the formula unit mass. Okay, in the table it is given in your textbook. Each atom's mass. Okay, study the important atoms mass are given in the textbook. You learn it. Hydrogen you will have 1U, and oxygen you will have 16U, and sulfur 32U. These are you learn important elements ka weight you have to learn. Next one is, now we are going to write some chemical formula of the compound. Okay, chemical formula, how to write? Many children are committing mistake while writing the formula of the compound. So you practice at home again and again. Okay. Here are positive radicals are there, charged particles are there. You know what is charged particles? Or ions. There are two type of ions, positive charge as well as negative charge. Charged particles are called ions. This is positive charged ions. Ion, okay, hydrogen, and metal, sodium plus, calcium 2 plus, and what else important? Magnesium 2 plus, okay, ammonium 2 plus, ammonium plus. These are the positive charged particles or positive charge ions, and a negative charge with hydroxide minus, sulfide 2 minus, sulfite 2 minus, sulfate 2 minus, carbonate 2 minus, okay, and phosphate 3 minus. This important radicals, it is given the textbook, just to go through. Okay, now from this, if you know this radical with its valency, top one is called valency. Hydroxide valency is 1, sulfur valency is 2, sulfate, SULPHIT, okay, sulfite valency is 2, sulfate valency is 2. Same way, sodium metal valency is 1, magnesium valency is 2. Okay, if you know this one, you can write the formula of different compounds. Now you are going to write aluminium sulfate. Aluminium valency 3. Okay, you are going to write the formula of aluminium sulfate. How will you write? First you write the symbol, aluminium symbol Al, and valency is 3. Okay, and sulfate you write, sulfate is SO4 and valency is 2. Clear? Again you write, this is top one is valency, and again you write the symbol aluminium, only simple write. Okay, now this is only one element, because first letter is capital letter, second letter is small letter, so it is one element. Whereas this radical, you look at this, sulfur and oxygen both are capital letter, so two different kinds of elements are present. Understood? So you have to put this one in bracket. This radical you have to put in bracket. I told you, you first look at this. If both of more than one letters are capital letter, then you have to put in bracket. Here only one element, because first letter is capital letter, second letter is small letter. So only one element, no need of bracket. This much you are written. Now this valency, you write this side, 2, crisscross you have to do. And this aluminum valency, you write sulfate plus. Sulfate place you write at the base of sulfate. Clear? Now what is the formula? Al2SO4 thrice. This is the formula of aluminum sulfate. We will see one more compound. Okay? Potassium carbonate. Potassium symbol is K and valency is 1. So symbol and valency 1. Carbonate symbol is CO3 and valency is 2. Clear? Again you write symbol. Okay? K you write, and only symbol of carbonate you write. And this is only one type of element. This both are capital letters, so more than one kind of element you put in bracket. Clear? Now this valence you write here, and potassium valence you write carbonate place. And the formula is K2CO3, because one no need of writing. You no need to mention the one. Okay? Clear? K2CO3. This is the way you got to write the formula. You practice at home. Next we study mole, the important concept. In ninth standard, the most important topic is mole concept. Most important. What is mole concept? This mole word is derived by Wilhelm Ostwald. Who is that? Okay, he derived the word mole. This is Latin word. This word is derived from Latin word. Okay, and that mole, it is derived from Latin word. It was put forward by Ostwald, Wilhelm Ostwald, in the year of 1896. This word is discovered. What does it mean? It means heap or pile. What is the meaning of pile? Group, big group of substance. Okay, heap means big group of large amount. A heap contains large amount of substance. Okay, this is called heap. The same way, here mole means heap. It consists of numbers, more numbers. Do you know what is the number? Before that, this one you clear? In 1896, Wilhelm Ostwald put forward the word mole. This mole is derived from Latin. Okay, this is a Latin word. Meaning is heap or pile. Pile means group of substance. Okay. It is nothing but only number. You know dozen. What is the meaning of dozen? 12. 1 dozen banana means 12 banana. 1 dozen egg means 12 eggs. It consists of 12 eggs. Only number. And a score. 1 score paper means 20 papers. Okay, 20 paper. 1 score means 20. Number, only number. The same way, 1 mole of hydrogen atom means atom. This word you remember, atom. I did not write molecule. This is atom. I mentioned the word atom. That means only 1 hydrogen. How many number do you know? This mole contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of hydrogen atoms. Only number. Clear? Mole means number. Wherever mole is there, this many numbers it consists. That is what it is called heap. Imagine you got to put 20 more 0 here. It comes like that. More 23 20 zeros you have to add. Such a long number. It is such a long number. That's what it is called heap or pile. Group, big group. Clear? Only number it is. Now, 1 mole of hydrogen molecule. How many number? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of hydrogen. Okay. Hydrogen atom is hydrogen atom you write. This many number of hydrogen atom. Molecule means this many number of hydrogen molecules. Clear? And one logic question I will ask you. 1 mole of hydrogen contain how many hydrogen molecule? Okay. 1 molecule of hydrogen molecule contain how many number of hydrogen atom? Question is 1 mole of hydrogen molecule. This is hydrogen molecule. This is 1. This is 1. Like that, how many number? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of this person. Okay, H2. Clear? Now, question is 1 mole of hydrogen molecule contain how many number of hydrogen atoms? Atom, hydrogen atom. Hydrogen molecule contain how many number of hydrogen atoms? Look at children, I will tell you one example. This is 1 hydrogen molecule. Okay, hydrogen joint. Hydrogen joint to form H2 molecule. 1 hydrogen molecule contain how many hydrogen atoms? 2 hydrogen atoms. Clear? This is H2 molecule because 1 hydrogen, they bonded to form H2 molecule. So, 1 H2 molecule contain how many number of hydrogen atom? 2. Now, the same question is here. 1 mole of H2 molecule contain How many number of hydrogen atom? I think most of you got the answer. What is the answer? 6.022 into 10 raised 23 into 2. Okay, number of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom. Clear? This much number of H2. I am asking not H2, hydrogen atom. So it doubles, no? One has 2 hydrogen. So this many number has double. You have to double it, isn't it? So this into 2 number of hydrogen atom. This much clear? Once again. Again listen. 1 mole of oxygen atom. This is 1 oxygen atom. How many number? How many number of oxygen atom? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom. Now 1 mole of O2 molecules contain how many number of O atoms? Contain how many number of O atoms? How many number? This is 1 O, this is 1 O. Join to form O2. 1 O2 contain 2 O. So this many O2 contain how many O? You have to double it, isn't it? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of O2. Now question I am not asking how many O2. How many O? So into 2 O atom. Oxygen atom. Clear? That's all. Read it. We will see in next class. Thank you.